Hey YouTube, here's another Hot Wheels car video. This is on one of my favorites in a collection of a couple thousand cars. This is a really special Ford Mustang. Let's check it out. Wow, look at this. This is a 1984 Ford Mustang SVO in a purple colorway. That's really cool. And you might just think this is a normal Hot Wheels car like the ones that are in the main line, but what's cool about this one is this one's actually a one of one. This is a factory air. Look at the back of it. The car is uneven, it doesn't sit right, and it's got, like, you see the sides here, it comes out too long here on the side, versus this is how it would normally be. So this car is actually one of one. It's really unique. Because I saw this car on the shelf and I just thought it was sitting like this, so I just thought it was like a normal Hot Wheels car that was lowered. But then when I got home and I put it on like the table with my collection, I saw that it was uneven, which I thought was really cool because I only have one other factory air Hot Wheels in my collection, which is a Porsche GT3. So I've got a lot of Mustangs in the collection, and I just thought this was the coolest of them all, especially now that it's like that. So this is now my favorite of all the Mustangs, all the American muscle cars. I think it's such a cool car. And it also reminds me of Transformers because it has like the purple paint, like it's like a Decepticon. It's got the silver logo on it and all that. And this is a really nice one because it has a lot of details, like it says SVO on the side, Special Vehicle Operations. As far as Mustangs go, this was the top tier one. This wasn't like, you know, a 5.0, a GT, even a Boss 302. This was like the #1 Mustang you could get at the time. And like the color's like a mystic purple. Like it's a really nice color and all that. So this car, like if I could build a Mustang, this would be exactly how I'd build it. It's just like this one, and I think it's really nice. So if you enjoyed this Hot Wheels video, check out my other ones, and thanks for watching.